Large cast iron griddle, round, 10.5 inch. Use in the oven, on the stove, on the grill, or over a campfire. Great for induction cooktops. Used to sear, sauté, bake, broil, or grill. Made in the USA. This round cast iron griddle pan is the perfect tool for cooking pancakes, pizza or quesadillas. The slightly raised edges keep oil, batter and other ingredients neatly contained. Cast iron can be used on a stovetop, in an oven or over a campfire. Top reviews from the United States. Back to basics clean cooking. I never buy a product on an impulse, and so I read about at least 50 to 100 reviews if I had to ever buy a product. I have been using cast iron cookware for a number of years, but the ones I had was locally made by ironsmiths in my hometown. These cookware actually needed a lot of seasoning to get rid of the iron blackness and taste. But with the Lodge products, I'm pleasantly surprised that they are pre-seasoned, which means none of the hassle of seasoning and smoothing the surface. The pancake pan is so smooth and pancakes are easily lifted off the pan. The skillets I have too are praiseworthy too. Keep the heat to medium and you will get well-cooked food, and if you are impatient, then of course food will burn and you will have a bit of scrubbing to do with the pan. Treat the pans and skillets with love and care, and it will surely last perhaps the next 5 generations. The best thing is that there is no nasty coating as in non-stick or aluminum cookware. Cast iron cookware has been used for thousands of years with no health risks. It's time most of us shifted to using cast iron and steel utensils. The only thing is that when you fry chicken neck, then of course you need to soak the pan in water overnight, and it will be very easy to clean the next day with a scourer. Don't be afraid to use the scourer as there isn't any coating as in an enameled cookware. Make sure to wash, dry and rub oil on the pans / skillets every time you use them. They will never let you down.